Hey guys, and welcome to our latest tutorial. This time we're tackling our most requested tutorial, paneling. A quick look at the shopping list for you there, and we've actually bundled together some of the items on the website to keep it nice and simple for shopping. Arguably, the trickiest bit of this project is down to the measuring, so let's tackle that first. On to sketching. So starting with a panel at each end, complete the wall, and I like to work with odd numbers on this, so I placed one in the centre of my wall and then realised on either side of that I could fit one additional panel, meaning that I was going to have 5 drops down. To wave a bead of Grip It down the back of the board. Okay, so let's get some panelling on the wall. We started with the 2 ends. Make sure that you use your spirit level. We're working on quite an old building, not every wall is straight, and get those glued into place. And then pop 2 tack nails in to hold it while it dried. Then you can see we've worked either way outside of that for the final 2 pieces to get all 5 pieces on the wall, and then finish that off with that crossbar across the top, and then it's all glued into place. Once you've given it time to dry, remove those tack pins, and then you're going to go over your MDF with some sandpaper. Okay, so next up is caulking and filling. Quite a big job, making sure you get a nice clean transition between wall and your MDF panelling. We've covered how to caulk on last week's tutorial, so flick back if you'd like some top tips on the best caulking techniques. So the hard work's over, I promise. Now for the exciting part, let's get some paint on these boards. So starting off with acrylic primer undercoat. MDF is a really porous surface, it's really important that you do prime it. And now we're ready for the top coat. We've opted for hardware and acrylic eggshell. Firstly, it's a very dark room that we're working in, and the hardware and acrylic eggshell has a 15%-ish sheen, so it will help bounce the light around a little bit. Secondly, it has anti-fungicidal properties, and it's a scrubbable paint finish, suitable for walls and woodwork, making it the perfect choice in a bathroom. It's a 4-hour recoat time, so make sure you give it that 4 hours before coming back to do your second and top coat. As hardware and acrylic eggshell is suitable for the woodwork, we've also painted our skirting boards in the same colour so that it colour blocks the panelling altogether. And here you have it guys, completely transformed. It's amazing what some panelling can do to a room, and it is not an expensive project to undertake. If you've enjoyed our tutorial, don't forget to hit subscribe, and we'll be back next week with more hints, tips and inspiration.